Welcome to another unboxing video. Today we have the ASUS VivoBook 15. Let's get to the unboxing. So the specific model of this laptop that we're unboxing is the F512JA-AS34. So let's take a look inside. We got our charger here. It actually looks a lot like my Chromebook charger, which works very well, by the way. Had it for a few years. So I'm assuming this thing's gonna last us a while. So that's pretty cool. We have probably a quick setup guide and some warranty info. So we'll double check the box later. For now, let us get to the good stuff. So we got a slate gray laptop here. Very nice, and it doesn't look like it is a fingerprint magnet at all, so that's cool. A lot of ventilation here, interesting. So we got our speaker placement. Good location right there. So yeah, that ventilation. So, well, in the future when we do upgrade this laptop, we'll take a look inside. But for now, let us move on. Let's do the one-handed opening test. That is a negative. Let me try my other hand. Nope, no luck. So it looks like, yeah, so it does not open with one hand, not a big deal. So let's take a look here. Looks like we have an Intel Core i3 10th generation. I'll put up some screenshots for the base speed later. Ergolift hinge, we got a NanoEdge display and a USB Type-C. Interesting. It's also got a fingerprint sensor. That is a first for me. Pretty interesting stuff. So on the right side, we have a micro SD slot. We have a headphone jack, USB-C, HDMI out. I'm assuming that's a USB 3.2. And we have a charging port on the far right side of it. So that is interesting. On the left side, looks like we have a couple of USB 2.0s and the LED light indicators. So let us continue here. So we do have a boot up time of, let's see. Wait for it. So boot up time is about 14-15 seconds, so pretty good. It does come with a backlit keyboard, which is pretty awesome. Let me turn off my extra lights here. Pretty nice. And it does turn off when you're idle, so. And you can also adjust the brightness on the backlit keyboard. That's pretty awesome. That's a pretty cool feature, especially for a budget laptop. So let's see what else we got here. We do have the fingerprint sensor, which is easy to set up and easy to use. And for the camera, it is definitely a 720p camera. So I'm using the camera app here. And let me show you guys just to confirm. It is 0.9 megapixels or 1280 by 720 for photo. And for the video, you can see 720p. Or 30 FPS. So pretty nice so far. Yeah, 720p at 30 FPS. So battery life on this looks like first full charge, 4 hours and 6 minutes. So just letting everybody know, battery life might not be the best, but especially for a budget laptop, I feel that's pretty good. So we got the Ergolift hinge thing. I'm not a fan of this, just letting everybody know, because if you look on the You see those two things sticking out? I mean, it's great right now, but long-term wise, they look like they're plastic to me. Like, what if one of them breaks off or gets worn out? Then you're looking at a crooked laptop. It's just my opinion, though. This is a new feature for me, so maybe I'm having trouble adjusting. But with those things sticking out at the back, I am not a fan of this. I feel like it is a long-term wise, it's plastic. It looks like it's plastic to me, and I feel like they're gonna wear out. So if one of them wears out or if one of them breaks off, you're looking at a crooked laptop. Just my opinion though. This is like completely, I mean, I could be biased. I'm old school. So, but yeah, just my opinion. Sound test. Testing. 1, 2, 3. ABC. Recording test. 1, 2, 3. Playback at 50% volume. Testing 1, 2, 3. ABC. Recording test. 1, 2, 3. Playback at 100% volume. So let me switch it over to 100%. I do like the speakers on this. Testing 1, 2, 3. ABC. Recording test. 1, 2, 3. Pretty good in my opinion. So let me show you guys the display a little bit more, and I'm also gonna put up screenshots like I said toward the end of the video for more specs. So not the best display out there. 1920 by 1080p NanoEdge display. I mean, for me, not too bad. But you know, your viewing angles are totally limited. 15.6 inch Full HD. So weight wise, you're looking at about 1.66 kilograms, or 1.658 to be exact, but I kind of rounded it up. 36 centimeters long. We got 23 centimeters for this side. Pretty decent sized laptop, and I do like the weight. It is very light. You know, keep in mind that your battery is about 4 hours, so. And then thickness, it's about 1.77 centimeters. Pretty thin in my opinion. So for the camera, it is a USB 2.0 HD UVC webcam. It does have Bluetooth also. So CPU, base speed of 1.19 gigahertz, which is a little disappointing. 2 cores, 4 processors. It's an i3. So yeah, not the best. We have a 1920 by 1080p resolution, 6-bit RGB for the display. So if you're looking at the device ID, it is a CMN15F5. 141 PPI, 152.84 megahertz for the suggested video mode. So we have our GPU, which is actually just shared GPU memory, so based off the RAM. So it doesn't have any dedicated GPU memory, so it's an Intel UHD graphics. Just keep that in mind. Memory wise, it does have 8 gigabytes, so 2 of 2 slots used. If I remember correctly reading, this thing has 4 gigabytes built into the motherboard, and you got 1 slot. So we're gonna have to do an upgrade in the future, but I'm gonna test some games first, and everybody's curious. So disk, you're looking at a capacity of 119 gigabytes. Probably subtract a few gigabytes for you know, for actual use. So that is pretty much it. I hope everybody enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Take it easy.